Thailand expects more than 10 million tourists from China this year, but they do have a reputation for being noisy, rude, and uncivilized. Whether we like it or not, it is the future, and we cannot afford to turn our backs on it. From the technology side, people sometimes think they are catching up, but in fact, they are cutting edge. China runs on its own digital ecosystems. All of the OTAs, social media, review sites, and chat apps are specifically Chinese and aren't widely used outside China. So what can hotels in Thailand do to capture the booming Chinese FIT market? In addition to myself, I've invited a panel of Compass Edge hotel clients, such as Lily, owner of Burasari Hotel Group, Deepak, CEO of Lebua, and Dmitry, GM of Siam Design Hotel Pattaya, to share their first-hand experiences on how best to attract affluent Chinese travelers. See you at our Smart China session.